Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure SmartThings with Zigbee motion sensors for alerts step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring your SmartThings app is installed on your smartphone. Open the SmartThings app and log into your account. Make sure your SmartThings hub is powered on and connected to your Wi-Fi network. Locate your Zigbee motion sensor and remove the battery tab to activate it. In the SmartThings app, tap on the Devices tab at the bottom of the screen. Select the plus icon to add a new device. Choose Add Device from the drop-down menu. From the list of devices, select by brand and find Zigbee. Follow the prompts to scan for your motion sensor. When the motion sensor appears, select it to add to your SmartThings setup. Next, label the sensor for easy identification. Once added, tap on the motion sensor's icon to access its settings. Here, you can customize the device's settings, including its name and location. To set up alerts, go back to the main device screen. Tap on Automations at the bottom of the app. Select Add Automation to create a new rule. Choose If and then select your motion sensor from the device list. Select Motion Detected as your trigger. Now, choose then to decide what action to take when motion is detected. Select Send Notification to receive alerts on your phone. You can also set other actions like turning on lights if desired. Review your automation settings to ensure everything is correct. Once satisfied, tap Save to activate your automation. Test your setup by walking in front of the motion sensor. Check your notifications to confirm you receive the alert. Repeat any steps as necessary to adjust settings for your preferences. Your SmartThings setup with Zigbee motion sensors is now complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.